What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I've last posted, and this is primarily because of school, work, and another YouTube account I primarily made for gaming. But, however, the new news is that I'm merging my new account, Sir Styles, with this account to consolidate my efforts. I'm still going to be posting hacks, gaming videos, and tutorials, and furthermore, I've even rebranded by uploading my last upload from the old channel, and also created a new logo and banner. So, pretty much to pick up where I left off, I know a lot of you are still asking for updates on the mods I made for Slither.io a while back. There were also several comments about the links not working. Well, come to find out that my Dropbox has actually dropped all of my links. So I've went through all the links and all the videos and updated them for you guys. So basically, this video will serve to inform you on what has been updated, how to use the mods I have out there, and how to install them. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, first things first, go ahead and head to the home page of the channel. What you can see right off the bat is the new logo and the new banner. So just let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. Maybe I'll do a logo video tutorial or a banner video tutorial for your YouTube and Twitter and Twitch accounts. It could be fun. If you came here for the hack, well, go ahead and go to the latest version, which is the Slither.io hack tutorial 2017. In relation to the one that I'm posting now, this one is the newest, so let's go ahead and go there. So what you want to do is go ahead and scroll down and open up the description. You'll see several links. To choose which one you want for your hacks, you kind of have to look at the different links. So this is the link that was promised to the hack. This is the first hack that I released. This is version 1.1, version 1.2, and subsequently version 1.3. Obviously 1.3 is the latest, so we're just gonna go ahead and click on that. Yes, I'm still using AdFly. I can't wait to get rid of it. I'm just trying to get monetization status on YouTube, and then hopefully I can just make those links shorter. So we'll just go ahead and look at this site right now, and it's just AdFly. I mean, basically this is how you're going to traverse this. So you see the notification up here. You don't want to click on this. You don't want to click allow. You want to click deny. You don't want any of that coming up. Just X out of that. Just go ahead and click deny. Don't click on anything around here. This is not the right ad you should click on. So if anything, this isn't even ad that's really good for this service, so I would just report this ad. Next, you go ahead and press skip ad. Make sure you press skip ad. Once you skip ad, you might be directed to this place, and what you do from here is just to make sure that you don't click on anything over here. You X out of that real quick, and what you'll see is like it'll say press to allow to continue, and you can't really continue. So what you want to do is go ahead and take the Dropbox link right here, and what this is encoded. So once it's encoded, you have to decode it. So you can do this one of two ways. My favorite way is to go ahead and open up the developer console. Just write the first line of code is decode URI component. So once you do the decode URI component, you can just go ahead and put that in as a string and go ahead and decode that. Once you decode it, you can just open this link in a new tab. Okay, perfect. So now that you've opened the link in a new tab, this is the Slither Chrome extension, and we'll just get started from there. Now, I did say you could decode that URL one of two ways, so let's just go ahead and show you that method right now. You can just type in URL decoder online, right? Just go ahead and go to the second one or the first one, doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and type and paste that link in there, and once you have that in there, you can just go ahead and press decode. And once you decode that, you can just copy that and then also just go straight to the Dropbox. Done and done. Alright, well, we're just going to go ahead and X out of these two since I already have these tabs open. But this is the Slither Chrome extension. So once you have the Slither Chrome extension, what you want to do is just go ahead and try to go to My Files, go to Mods, Slither Chrome extension, and download. Once you have this downloaded, you can go ahead and show in folder. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and drag this to my desktop and extract it here. Now what you'll see is the files that you saw before on the Dropbox, and we're just going to go ahead and install this extension for the Slither Chrome application. So let's just go ahead and X out of these, open back up Google Chrome, X out of this, and we'll just go ahead and look at this real quick before we go on. So when you look at this, you'll have the other hacks as well. You'll have 1.0, 1.1, 1.2. You can just go ahead and click on those if you wanted to. And if you wanted to add this really quick, instead of not doing a Chrome extension, just press Control A, Control C on Windows. On Mac, I believe it's Command A, Command C. And you just copy all of the code, and then you can go to Slither, and then you can just open up the developer console as well. On Windows, I believe it's F12, and then on Mac, I believe it's Command Shift I. Don't quote me on that, but you can always look that up. Okay, so first thing first, you can just go ahead and paste this in the console, and then it'll automatically update the Slither IO component. So you'll be able to see this is one of the older versions because it doesn't have the UI. So I'm not going to use this. I'm going to go ahead and try to use the Chrome extension. Now, to get the Chrome extension running, all you have to do is press the little three dots over by Chrome. You want to go to, I believe it's More Tools and Extensions. Okay, so at first when you look at this, you're not going to be able to see a option to load your extension. So you have to go over here to Developer Mode, open this up, and Load Unpacked Extension. Once you've clicked that, make sure you go to your desktop or wherever you placed the Slither Chrome extension and go ahead and upload it. Once you've uploaded it, make sure that this button is on, so you've made sure that the extension is on and running. So go ahead and we can go ahead and X out of the extensions page. We can go ahead and X out of the mods page because all I really care about right now is Slither. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and enable this mod by going up here at the top right corner and clicking Hack Enabled. Make sure you also click to refresh page, otherwise the hack will not work. Alright, we'll just wait for it to load up, and as you can see, we have the menu here. You've got your hotkeys. All of the keys are right here, just for your convenience. If you ever forget, you have the servers that you can choose from. You can choose from any of these servers that you would like to go ahead and join. You have the option menu for graphics qualities, and also enable zoom once you want it or not. This is the information tab and the extra tab, so make sure you also click that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. That would be a huge help. If you don't want this menu going on while you are playing the game, you can also just close it here, and voila, it's all done. So let's go ahead and blow through these mods real quick. We'll go ahead and start it up and open this menu. We'll look at the hotkeys. Okay, so we can see that invisibility is still Z, speed hack is still X, God mode is still C, visual debug is V, so you'll be able to see, you know, what's going on. So let me see if I can do, if I can do V and then D, F. Okay, so. Oh, that's a little I, huh? Ah, okay. So you have to enable God mode if you want to see the visual debug. So you can up your radius, you can lower it if you want to be safer. If you want to have a little bit more risk, you can lower it. So let's just look at this right here. So you'll get near this guy and it'll turn, right? Because you don't want to get near it. So let's go here. Okay, it'll turn because the radius is larger. Now, I would suggest that the bigger you get, the bigger this radius is. Otherwise, it's not going to turn fast enough. So, once you're smaller, you can leave it about right here. So, it'll turn when it needs to. So, if I could just go like right here, it'll automatically turn away. Just to make sure that you're in the safe zone. So, another one it would be let's go ahead and change the skin. It's still A to S, A and S. You can change through 49 different skins, anything you want. So you can keep going through that. You can respawn by pressing R. I'm not going to do that right now, but it would work. Transfer server, Y and T, and save zoom, because you can also zoom in and out and see what's going on around you in the first place. You just do that with the scroll wheel. So if you want, you can also you can use the M key. It'll give you instant mask. It's just a visual effect. I put that in there because somebody requested it a while ago, but it just makes you big, to be honest. It's not anything good, it's not anything good, but it does kind of look cool. So let's see. I believe that's it. So for everything else, we can just go ahead and look at the other links if you would like, so we can go to the videos, Slither Hack tutorial, and you can go, you can just go through all the links if you want. So that's about it. Alright guys, so that's how to get the mods for Slither.io in 2019. If you have any questions, suggestions for future hacks or mods or games I should play, just leave a comment down below and I will try to get to every one of them. If you found this video helpful or even a bit interesting, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This will help me to continue to produce content for you guys.